Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Shilpa and I am super excited to make this video for you. I am coming up with the new idea and I am going to make a series how to speak fluently and confidently. Now I am going to name of this series the how to speak fluently and confidently. In this video, I am going to share my real life experience, what I have done in my past and why. Okay, the thing is, I just wanted to share my experience through the video, and I can assure you by the end of this video, by the end of this series, you will be able to see some progress, some improvement in your life. I will give you 4 questions you have to ask to yourself. If you find the real answer, the valid reason, if you really can find out the valid reason, the questions, then you can easily achieve your goal. Now the first question I am going to tell you, you have to ask to yourself, what am I good at? What am I good at? Now the second question is, what am I bad at? What am I bad at? Now the third question is, what makes me tired? What makes me tired through this journey? Why you are not able to learn this language? Why you are not able to why you are not able to stick with this journey? You have to ask to yourself, what makes me tired? And the last and very important question, what is the most important things in my life and why? So guys, I have given you 4 questions to ask yourself and find out the valid reason of these questions. If you find out the valid reason of these questions, you have to come back again on my video and go to the comment box and write the valid answer what I have asked in this video. You have to do this thing. If you want to know my perspective, my approach on these questions, so I would say, if I talk about what am I good at, so I would say I have the ability to create any story in English. Yes, I can speak confidently in English and I can create the story in English. If I talk about what am I bad at, so I would say I am horrible to lose myself because of this language. If I talk about the what makes me tired, so my overthinking makes me tired, my procrastinating makes me tired sometimes. And if I talk about the last question and most important question, what is the most important thing in my life and why? So I would say I have to become motivational speaker and I will have to work until someone come to me and say to me that, ma'am, you are my inspiration. Till then I will work. Okay, this is my answer and this is my valid answer. So you have to do the same thing. You have to pick the question and try to find out the valid answer. When you find out your valid answer, you have to come back to my video, go to my comment box and write 4 questions answer. I just wanted to make you assure that if you find out your question, when you are asking to yourself, you can easily find out the way you want to improve your English. Alright, that time you will not have any partner. You will not need to any partner at that time when you really find out the right valid reason. And guys, that's all about this topic. I hope that this video was helpful for you. You must have find out this video helpful, and I would say one more thing, that if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe my channel. I will run this series for some parts. I will give you some question to know the valid reason, know the valid answer. When you find out the valid answer, you can easily achieve your goal without having any partner. Okay, so that's all about this topic. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.